Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we will see how to add actions for HorillaListView. Okay, basically there is two methods to add actions. One is as a list of dictionary items, and also there is a other method called uh, action method. So we'll discussing the actions list of dictionary for this in this video. Okay, basically, the actions is that in the last column that will be sticky inside the list view. Okay, when I go to the employees, here you can see the last column actions. So this is sticky. So using the actions, you can create a I mean a sticky column. Okay, and the items like export, email, edit, archive, delete. In this, we'll see any existing, edit method and delete method. So inside the custom map, here is the custom shift. So we are going to add the actions for this view. So inside the VS Code, okay, we can refer the parent or view. Search for actions or this action method. Here is the actions. I'm going to provide actions. And inside the action, it will take list of dictionaries. So the dictionary items contain the action label inside the action key, maybe edit. We can provide as edit. And the second key is accessibility. Basically, the accessibility is optional. In some cases, they will be having some user restriction or user permission. At the time, you can use this accessibility. For example, we can use like def action cpdt edit uh, get it will take yes yeah, here is the arguments accepted by the accessibility. Okay, we can remove all the unnecessary uh, typings event. Uh, this make it true for now. Then true, and we will mention the path to the accessibility. Actually, where is the accessibility function contained? Here you can see inside the custom app, inside the CBV, inside the shift request, but uh, inside that here is the function. So we will adding that right here. There you can see. Okay. Then the third item is ATTS. If any additional attribute need to be present in the element, then you can make use of the ATTS. When we check the Horilla list table, set the Horilla thing and actions. I can hear it, the actions. So you can see the ATTS is called over here inside the A tag element. Basically, the A tag element is the each item inside the cell of a action column. So we have added a accessibility over here. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah, inside the accessibility ATTS, we'll be adding the HRF or any redirector route inside this element for the action. So let's add an alert for now. HTTPS. Okay, we'll yeah, click alert alert. Here you can provide the action URL, for example, the HREF or the root or something like that. You can manually add that or insert the action item. Okay. Yeah, put the promo. Okay. And you the accessibility. And it add the accessibility key. Yeah. Now when I come back to the our website, oh, actions, accessibility. Yeah, okay. Something we're missing. Yeah, the icon. Okay, for the icon, the fourth key inside the action items will be the common audio. It will take any ion icons icon. So going to ionic. First of all, edit. Okay, here's the edit. Going to use this icon for it's not completely that's not required. We just need the name. Create update. So relate. Okay. Then okay. Let's wait for the server. Server is starting up. Okay. Now when we refresh over here you can see the action is added now. When I click here you can see the action is coming for edit. Similarly, you can do it for the delete. So now let's add delete action for the list records. So come back to the Visual Studio Code. From here, I can duplicate this action. Going to rename the label action label like delete. Yeah, for now I'm using the same accessibility. If you have the different one, we can use the different function of over there. And from here you can for I mean, add your actions. Delete. Okay. You can add any functions or attribute from the model directly by simply calling a single uh, uh, chain bracket. Inside the chain bracket, I'm going to add access the PK of the object. Then from the edit, I'm going to access the employee ID. Yeah. Now let's refresh the server. Yeah, it's restarting. Then let's refresh over here. Okay. Now let's click on the edit. You can see the employee name is coming dynamically. Yeah. So inside the single curly brace pair, you can provide any functions or attributes fields present in the model. Now, okay, let's change the icon. Shop play. Shop. Okay, Pass option also available in the ionic icons. It is a delete. Okay, let's switch for the service started. Now you can see the delete icon is changed. You can see the IDs come. So that's how you create list view. List actions inside HorillaListView. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can add comments and you can reach to us support at horilla.com. Thank you guys.